That's great. Now, in the film, who's your favorite character? You know,
Me, obviously.
apart from you, obviously. Bhaiya. I know that you love yourself way too much, but let's look at life beyond you.
Mahesh Manjrekar.
Okay.
I think he's so cute, yaar. Matlab, there is one expression of his in Guntur Talkies ka promo song. Some cute, weird expression he makes where he's frustrated because of me in the film. And I find that to be, I feel like, uska gaal khichu main, Mahesh sir
What is
ka.
with you and men, man? You call Balakrishna cutie Balaya. No, you're doing the same with Mahesh Manjrekar.
See, I'm a Buddha. I see Buddha in everybody. True! Really! I see a Buddha in you as well. Just
That I am, because of the
difference-
sleepy
The
face.
difference is that I slapped him, but I'm soon going to make you a sleeping Buddha, baby. Wait.
Are you high? Please
Wait
tell
till
me
the
that.
end of this interview. Something is waiting for you.
Oh God.
I'm going to turn Hemant into a sleeping Buddha. Say, what was your question? So yeah, my favorite character, Mahesh
Yeah,
Manjrekar
Mahesh.
sir. People are going to die laughing when they see him in that movie.
Is this the first time you're working with him?
Yes, first time.
So how was the experience around?
He's very, very professional, and he was too much into doing his Telugu dialogues because he's dubbed also,
Yeah.
and he has lots of Telugu dialogues and all of that. So he used to be really, really into his character all the time. So we didn't really interact a lot on a personal level, though we have scenes together. And but we used to be like, wow, yaar, what acting, yaar, my God, he's such a good actor. So he is definitely gonna steal the show, I think, in the film. Apart from that, I think Rashmi looks extremely sexy and hot, and for a change, she's doing something that I used to do before. I'm glad somebody else is doing my job in the film.
Will you give us some tips about how to handle?
No, I didn't know also. I saw it now, all her songs and
okay.
everything. So she and me are also really good friends and everything. I have, by the way, taught her also Buddhism.
Oh.
She's my shakubuku, they say, my disciple.
Shakubuku?
Yeah.
That's a disciple?
Yes.
Shakubuku.
Whoever I teach is my shakubuku. So I think she looks really sexy. And Sidhu, until now, obviously he's a newcomer. So once the movie releases, he will definitely get a lot of respect as an actor once people see the film. So yes, all of these. And Naresh sir, Bapre, he's the Paresh Rawal, no, of Telugu cinema, I think,
he's
you know.
done some really fantastic work.
Bapre, I remember one scene where I again do something to him as well, and that is like
Something to do.
Okay,
Yes,
and
for the record, Shraddha does something to a lot of people.
yes, and I'm going to do something to Hemant also. Please, everybody who's watching this interview, I'm going to fulfill all your deepest, darkest wishes which are against Hemant. I'm going to fulfill that. So watch this interview till the end, okay? You're going to be
Sounds
very
so
happy.
wrong, you know,
all of
when-
you are going to come and give me one puppy on my cheek. I'm telling you after this interview. So what?
Paresh
Paresh
Rawal,
Rawal, no.
yeah, right.
Yes, so Naresh sir, Bapre, he's also another brilliant actor, and there's one scene where he is interacting with me and I'm looking into his eyes and everything, and he's supposed to be shy as a girl, not me. I am like hitting on him, so he was so funny, yaar. I used to start laughing because I cannot be serious as Revolver Rani, to be in that character and look at him like that. Too good, and he switches on and switches off.
Right.
I have never seen him being in that method acting wala thing ever. So
But he says that he's a method actor.
method acting meaning I've never
In the
seen him stay in that character
Okay,
off the
yeah,
shot.
yeah,
He's
right.
joking around and laughing around, and then he's that character in 1 second.
Right.
So that's how it was, and I think everybody has a brilliant character to play, a wacky character to play.
I hear that you use some real guns in the film. What do you?
Yes, real guns with dummy bullets.
Okay.
But those bullets used to have the same sound and fire coming out of them, just like a real one. Obviously, I can't shoot people for real, which I wish I could to some people. But those guns used to be really, really heavy to carry. So there's one entry shot of mine in the film, which is with two. One is with a revolver, obviously, and one another big gun, and I had to use both of them and all of that. And then my problem was firstly holding the gun in the correct, straight, proper way, because my arms are not that, not like a man to hold them in the correct way. And since she's Revolver Rani, she can't look like a woman, like a girl holding this gun like this and all. The body language has to be, it should look like she's been using guns for a while.
Right.
So Praveen, definitely, I've just followed him blindly. So he used to keep telling me to hold it in the correct way. And that, and then the bullet. The moment I would shoot, the sound is so, it's like a that green color ka bomb hota tha na Diwali mein, that bursting in front of your eye, you know, because that spark khatak karke comes in front of your eye. So it used to be really, and I used to get scared कि मेरा मुंह जल गया तो मैं क्या करूँगी and everything. But then I was like, नहीं भाई, action role करना था, अब मिल गया है तो करो चुपचाप, you know, don't complain. So then I used to put cotton in my ears sometimes so that the sound doesn't make my eye blink.
Okay.
Because if my eye is blinking, it's not really cool.
Okay.
So that was tough the first this thing time, and yeah, and obviously my body language had to be very strong when I did the role. So yes, the gun part was another difficult part for me, apart from the other things which I cannot talk about.
Have you seen the film? Like
I've seen my bit in the dubbing. तेरे वो entry shot पे बहुत whistle बजने वाला है. I was like, okay, and I you have a feeling sometimes that certain shots really come out really well. That was my first day.
Oh, okay.